Welcome to Millets Lifestyle Hub. You are on this page because probably you are wanting to know more about the mission of this community and how this can actually benefit you. So please stay until end of this video as I explain to you why I have started this community, how this can help you, and what is the bigger vision of this group that we have here. I have started this community with the intention to empower IT professionals to live disease-free life, because IT professionals are the ones who are at high risk of lifestyle disorders. They are the ones who can plan the idea of healthy lifestyle into their family and help them to live fit, healthy and happy. Because I believe the current food system is broken and it makes healthy eating very difficult. And only way to solve this problem is to transform the entire game itself by empowering every IT individuals with the right mindset, knowledge, skills and tools to live disease free. For example, I myself few years back was suffering from constipation, bloated stomach, gastritis and fallen sick frequently. In spite of that, thanks to my mentors, researches that I have done and my experiences through which I found the miracle grain millets, which did the magic for thousands of years to keep our ancestors healthy and disease free. I shared my learnings to my wife and empowered her, and in turn she helped me to relieve of these health problems with millet diets. Millets helps to prevent and cure many lifestyle diseases. You name it, like diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, heart diseases, hair loss, skin diseases, obesity, asthma, infertility, liver diseases, and I can add many to this list, and millets have solution for this. So intent of this community is to educate the IT professional who can learn experience to live disease free and teach what they learned on millets. I believe this is the only way to create a new world of healthiest people. So the problem of this community is solving is that the current food system is broken and we are here to change that. The mission of this community is to build the world's largest society of healthiest IT professionals, because healthy professionals can transform their family and in turn the world. The vision of this community is to collectively empower every individual on earth to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are able to resonate with these values, then please do check out our website to know about the membership levels that we have in this community after watching this video, to understand more about how it can help you. Also, please do join our private VIP group, Disease Free Life Mastermind, exclusively created for this purpose. I also want to share with you what is the value system of this community. Like, what are the principles on which this community is built, and there are 6 codes of honor. First code of honor is disease free, to live and enjoy a state of complete well-being. The second code of honor of this community is growth, to learn, do and teach simultaneously, because most of the time we learn but we don't take actions. Action is the key for long lasting result. Teaching what you learned and experienced can act as catalyst to build the healthiest society. The third code of honor of this community is clarity. Clarity on goals, clarity on actions and results. This will help you to accelerate your goal, your health goals. Clarity gives you conviction, clarity gives you power, clarity gives you momentum. This is more important to achieve the goal of disease free. The other code of community is efficiency, right? The speed of implementation, because health loves speed and disease free loves speed. Lot of people get stuck on their goal because of lot of analysis and they don't move with the momentum. So taking quick action with focus is going to help to get massive results. The fifth code of this community is abundance. Abundance in terms of health, happiness, and prosperity. And finally, there is no point of this unless there is an element of contribution, giving back in terms of knowledge or money to society, charities, or causes that you believe in. So earn wealth and give back to create a social change in this world. So this is all about Millet's Lifestyle Hub. I have created this community not only to empower IT professionals but collectively create social impact and social change through whatever charities, causes, missions that we believe in on an individual level. We welcome everyone and want this community to be the home for you to be able to take your knowledge, to be able to build your own communities, to be able to impact, inspire as many people to get health results that they want in their life. And I want you to be part of this community and give back as you are getting healthy and disease free. So I want to welcome you, and next I want you to look at the membership levels so that you can know how the entire curriculum is designed and flow of the curriculum is. Want you to click on the link below to join our VIP group, Disease Free Life Mastermind. Looking forward to having you in the community, and thank you. Cheers. God bless.